In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page to classic view. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook page. So click on 3 horizontal lines on upper right corner. And then click on Page Change button. Now we have been redirected to our Facebook page. Now go to your page profile by clicking on page logo here. In the middle, there are 3 dots. Tap those dots. In the past, you could switch back to classic view from here, but the newer Facebook app doesn't have that option anymore. If you still see it, your app is old, and you should update it to get all the new features. In the latest version, you can't go back to the classic view. Once you update, there's no way to switch back. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.